How can you encourage empathy in the workplace? And what role does patience play in encouraging empathy and inclusion? Empathy and inclusion in the workplace can start with just one person. Learn how you can be the change you want to see with this course on encouraging empathy and inclusion in the workplace. This course will help you inspire coworkers to be more empathetic by explaining how an organizational change can happen with one person. Build a more empathetic and inclusive workplace by exploring how setting an example can lead to a larger shift within an organization. And effectively implement organizational change by explaining the importance of practicing patience. Creating an empathetic and inclusive workplace doesn't happen overnight. Learn how you can inspire change in this course on encouraging empathy and inclusion in the workplace.